always works for me. Dakota to Decatur. No more pretending, cause now you're winning. Here's our beginning. I always wanted a good girl. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Good girl. Can't let it get past me. Far from plastic. Talking about getting blasted. Blurred lines. I know you want it. I know you want it. Oh yeah, yeah. But you're a good girl. The way you grab me, must wanna get nasty. Go ahead, get at me. Everybody get up. Everybody get up.
Welcome, Rita. Rita, welcome back. Hey. Girl, y'all, welcome Rita back. Say hi, Rita. Hi, Rita. Hi, friends. Hi. Hi. What song's next?
They go great with cream cheese,
ads?
peanut butter, bananas, avocado.
Delicious.
Let me see here. Hold on. Let me see. This is a good song. I love this song. So Dee, hi baby.
I work for what I have, don't have the luxury of having everything handed to me. Just and mama taught me wrong from right, but you weren't raised the same as I. There you go, just flaunting that cash. Too bad it can't buy you class. 'Cause daddy's money only gets you so far. Designer clothes and a brand new car won't teach you to be a real woman, honey. And all you'll have left is daddy's money.
My mama down there in the comments.
There's gonna be a trail of broken hearts. Your world's gonna fall apart. It ain't gonna be the way it was before. Can't keep them from walking out your door. All of the money in the world won't make you someone's girl. 'Cause daddy's money only gets you so far. Designer clothes and a brand new car won't teach you to be a real woman, honey. And all you'll have left is daddy's money. I ain't got no diamonds or red rubies, at least I have real. Daddy's money only gets you so far. Designer clothes and a brand new car won't teach you to be a real woman, honey. And all you'll have left is daddy's money. And all you'll have left is daddy's money. And all you'll have left is daddy's money.
I love that song. I love that song. Love that song. I think only people in Texas is gonna know who Clay Hollis is. But this is a good song. Ready? Let's get it.
Well, every time I cash my check, I wind up here, sitting on a bar stool, waving my money and drinking beer. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Couple of shots for a pretty young thing. Buy a round, put the band on me. Well, it's my money and I can drink if I want to.
save up when I can Donald Trump a night or two? I'm gonna nickel and dime a real good time. I'm gonna party the whole night through. It's my money, and I can drink if I want to.
Come on. I'll get the podcast going. Come on with it. Woo. Rita. Rita, that ain't simple today.
Well, I ain't saving nothing for a rainy day. I was born in Texas, where it hardly ever rains. I paid my bills, gassed up my truck, I'm gonna spend the rest. It ain't much, but I'm getting by, busting my butt just to have a good time. But it's my money, and I can drink if I want to. Why save up when I can Donald Trump a night or two? Ain't gonna nickel and dime a real good time. I'm gonna party the whole night through. It's my money, and I can drink if I want to. Come on.
Hey, thanks, baby. This is a good workout. I need TikTok's money. Yes, I need all the gifts. I gotta buy some beer tonight.
It don't grow on trees, you can't buy love, but that don't stop me from just living it up. And it's my money, and I can drink if I want to.
Okay.
Why save up when I can Donald Trump a night or two? Ain't gonna nickel and dime a real good time. I'm gonna party the whole night through. It's my money, and I can drink if I want to. I said it's my money, and I can drink if I want to.
Oh, we need this one.
You wake up and open your eyes, I'm the first thing on your mind. What can I say? You sit there on the edge of your bed, spinning round whiskey bread. I ain't to blame. Baby, wasn't it you who said we're through? Walked away when you needed some space, a little time alone. I tried like hell to work this out. You didn't give a damn, but you do now. Girl, you should have known. What goes around comes back around. Yeah, look who's hurting now.
Even on my worst day, I'm still fucking beautiful.
Well, I met her out at Murphy's restaurant. She said she was fresh from the farm. And I remember thinking for a country girl that she went pretty well armed. We sat there talking by the lobster tank. I ordered her a slow gin fizz. And when them chicken fried steaks arrived, she said, I like living like this. So I made her the queen of my double white trailer with the polyester curtains and the redwood deck. Now she's run off and I've got the trailer down to Black Heart and a pretty redneck.
Hi, friends. Hold on.
Well, a few nights later, I run into her with some stranger on a park bench. She said he rebuilds engines and his
Rita.
name is Earl. He's the Charlie Daniels of the Torque Wrench.
Rita.
I whispered, honey, let's just go on home and have some onion rings and watch TV. And as I walked her to the truck, Earl was crying, don't you leave me.
trailer gang, a black heart and a pretty red leg. I said, this is the queen of
Bye, Brenda.
white trailer with the polyester curtains and the redwood deck. Sometimes she runs and I've got the trailer gang, a black heart and a pretty red neck. Oh, she's a queen. She's a queen.
I remember every time we used to be together. Yeah, we were ride or die, we even used to pee together. I used to be the shoulder that you would cry on. When Polly fuck you over, I'm the one you rely on. When it all began, I was your biggest fan. You gone and fucked it over half a man. I'm reckless on a yacht in the French Riviera. Delete my number, bitch, sayonara.
Girl, oh, baby girl, and you broke the golden rule. I guess I'll see you never, so bye-bye. Honey, you can have my sloppy seconds if you really need.
Take it.
Find my pictures under legends if you Google me. Yup. And he's only sleeping. That's so funny. Trying to get to me. Right. So he's trying to get to me.
Don't talk shit unless it's true. You smell that? Damn, it must be you. I didn't have a crystal ball, but I always knew you would stab me in the back with your stripper shoe. Even my friends thought that it was weird when you were coming over, even when I wasn't here. You're just a copycat, but no one's buying rap. Up on the discount rack, right in the back of TJ Maxx.
Girl, oh, baby girl, and you broke the golden rule. I guess I'll see you never, so bye-bye. Honey, you can have my sloppy seconds if you really need. Bye-bye. Find my pictures under legends if you Google me. And he's only sleeping when you trying to get to me. He's so easy, you're dead to me. Oh, yeah. Put your stripper all up on me. Got the
But honey, you were more to me, you were more like family. When you were under attack, at your back, you were more than a friend to me. It was us against the world. You were my girl. I still can't believe you did this to me. Oh,
honey, you can have my sloppy seconds if you really need. Bye-bye. Find my pictures under legends if you Google me. And he's only sleeping when you trying to get to me. He's always dead, you're dead to me. Oh, yeah. Put your stripper all up on me. Got the all up on me.
God. Oh my Lanta. Oh my God.
I wanna get loose, get loud, get crazy. Yeah, it's been a long week. I need a long neck to save me. I wanna dance all night long in the arms of a honky-tonk baby. Get loose, get loud, get crazy. My mind's telling me no,
But his body.
but my body,
His body was
body's
telling
telling
him
me
yeah.
baby,
Oh.
I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess. Look here. See, I know just what you want, and I know just what you need, girl. So, baby, bring your body to me. Bring your body here. I'm not fooling around with you. Baby, my love is true. With you is where I wanna be. Girl, you need someone like me, yeah, to satisfy your every need. I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. With a little bump and grind, baby, baby. I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind, baby. Hey, you say he's not treating you right.
Thank you, babe. Thank you for the roses.
Lady, spend the night. I'll love you like baby to be loved. Girl, won't you try some of me? No need to look
Don't
no
fight it,
more, because I've
Consensual.
opened up my doors. You'll never, baby, you'll never find another me. You see, you need someone like me, yeah, to make love to you, baby, constantly. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. With a little bump and nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. Nothing wrong, baby, baby. Alright, I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong. No sir, I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong. No, 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 no. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Baby, 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 baby. Come on.
Now, usually I don't do this, but go ahead on, break them off with a little previews of the remix. Now, I'm not trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my Lexus cool. That's why I'm all up in your grill, trying to get you to a hotel. You must be a football coach, the way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that and let me give you that running her hands through my fro, bouncing on 24s. That's why they say look it up, ready. It's the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing. Sipping on coke and rum, I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about.
Don't compete where you can't compare, bitch. Checkmate.